Hello guys, it's me again, Rye Steven, and we're gonna do some computer activity. The basic Microsoft Excel. Here are the simple steps. First, go to the search box. Then type the Excel. Zooming the Excel to make the cells closer
view.
Let's start by typing the content. Let's merge the 7 cells. Type the days of the week. Then drag the corner to complete the days of the week. Then click the center alignment. And go to the 30 days of the April month. The first day of the week starts on Thursday. Then enter the first number. Then continue until you complete the 30 days. Highlight the 4 and 5, then drag to Saturday. Highlight it again to drag to Saturday. Highlight the dates to make it center. Then to put a border line, highlight from top to bottom. Then click the borders. Then click all borders. Let's add some colors to make it nice. And fill with color. Now we finished the April calendar. Now we will save the calendar. Save as on the desktop. Then type the title. Then click enter.